All right, I think I'm pretty much ready. Oh, I see you. I see your mic moving now, but I can't hear you. It might be on my end then.
No, check.
Oh, there
Check.
you are. Yeah. What's up?
Still in the 96 range. Gap. So for Apple. AVGO surpassed Google in weighting. Downtrend Meta. Walmart. Kind of in a range, but I'm not going to give it to it yet. MA, nothing. Costco. Nothing yet. Gap low. Johnson Johnson, Oracle. Gap low. Exxon Mobil. Center range. Zoomed out. Visa. I don't know yet. Until downtrend. AMD. Sort of in a range. Range JP Morgan. Same with MU. We run it loose. Lilly, Gap, Cat Gap, Cisco Gap, Netflix. Breaking a range. LRCX. Gap. Bank of America. Nothing. CVX. The Chevron. That will be in a range. ABVV. Why am I not seeing it move?
Bless you.
Thanks. It is in a downtrend, but it's kind of pulling back up. Gap AMAP. United Healthcare is definitely in a range. Procter Gamble pushing up. Kind of in a range. I'll see what it does. Coca-Cola, definitely a range. Not going to really include the wick. Well, it's kind of coming out. Okay, we're going up on neutral. Trading potentially 2 6s. Going up on 9s and 8s. Sell side. Pretty much a range all day yesterday. $406, $368. Mm. That would make sense for a push low. What kind of pullback is that? Oh, we got like 2, 3 or 4 ticks short on that pullback. 4. You have that big blue open interest right there.
Yeah, they're slowly eating away at them.
Yep. I mean, this has gone up on selling it. It could be a pullback. I mean, it's starting to chop walk low. My concern is we've been in 2s and 90s in this area for 3 days now. Somebody's flipping. All this selling is settling in. It's all 5% selling too. It's just low, so this might be the top.
Yeah, I've got a micro trade to the short side right now for potential reversal. I noticed yesterday when those big buy orders come in, we had a 500 lot at 250, I think. A lot of the times those buyers get trapped, and it turns into a reversal. That being said,
Banging.
there is a lot of buyer defense here at the psych price.
We're like doing a good job chop walking this reclaim.
Yeah, I keep moving my stop up.
Wait, are you long?
Short?
Okay, cool.
My entry is 225 on micros.
You could probably. I mean, you also do need to bankroll yesterday's losses.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a little bit of absorption here. I'm going to take it off 925. Solid win. 99.25, I mean. And that was pretty much the entirety of the reclaim, too. My ideal target was probably 98.25, but beggars
Yep.
can't be choosers.
I mean, you could.
Yeah, there's a nice defense
If
at
you're
one.
highly it just depends on your confidence when it going into it.
Yeah, and reversal trades aren't really my forte. There was a nice pullback short there at 050.
Yeah, I thought about it. I'm curious about those 01s. Would that be a defense?
Yeah, at one even. Big time. That would be a picture perfect defense, but it depends how it gets there. I don't want to see a bunch of trapped sellers below when we pull back there. There are some big trapped sellers at 96.50, 96.75.
Yeah, but the entire open interest just turned red.
Yeah, and the open interest above us is bigger than the open interest below us. It is pretty thin above that level though, so I'm not crazy about it, but I do see that pullback short working.
I could see continuation just because they walked the entire down move hardcore.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. There's a bit of reclaim they might be taking right here. Everything about this is just screaming short, but I want to know, like, where's the next block? Where's the next block?
Grabbed a short off 98. Took it off
Yeah, I got 97.75s right here. Took it for 96 at the same time as you, I guess. Puts me at 11. Still on another block here. I think there could be another short there, but I want to know if they're going to push this block. Like, how far can they push this block? Damn it. Try to get it. 98.50s.
I got it. 98.50 to 97.
No, you did?
Yeah. Might be trying to push at the ones level. They did make a higher high and a higher low, though. Gotta be careful about that.
Just gave back everything I got on a loss. Oh, short in there. Curious how far they're going to back this up.
Piked to short there, had an 0.25 entry, took it off at 99.25. I think it could go lower, but I just wanted to play it safe with that one.
It's a block on a block. I guess they're going to go for it. Another big loss for me. Down 1,200.
Yeah, they're starting to do that trappy bullshit where shorts are trapped below.
They're just pushing it up on selling, man.
Yeah, that's what they were doing yesterday. We got into trouble doing that.
Man, these just it just seems like there's these offers are weak.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not very thick up here at all. Ugh. I want to see them make a lower low. I think that's what I'm waiting for personally.
Is there news or some shit at the top of the hour?
10 o'clock, yeah.
What is it?
Job openings.
There's a
Yeah, that's a decent block. Let's see if they can get some continuation lower. There's the lower low.
then the fucking offers evaporate.
Yeah, and they just lift it.
It's the neutral in here. Fucking slip range. Fucking thing is like balanced up here.
There's a bit of movement. I wanna
Yeah.
see evidence that sellers are willing to chase this down.
There is a
No.
522 that just came in, but he got hit. Oh, fuck, they're flipping. We're going like sevens. Oh, this range is really annoying.
Yeah. There's a higher high now. My bias is flipped. I do see a long continuation here.
It's going up on neutral. All that open interest is flipping. Fuck me, dude. Another fucking loss from 225. I just hate getting into shit like this. Hate it. It's another $1,000. 13 tick hit, 13 tick hit, 13 tick hit. 1 tick in my favor. Oh, now it goes the other fucking way. God damn it. Fuck.
A lot of trapped buyers up there. I'm not crazy about the long.
This
anymore.
is just the same goddamn story as yesterday. Fuck. This shit fucking sucks. I'm getting absolutely fucking farmed. Another fucking $1,000. No, that's 900. Still 3,200 down. Just on the wrong side of every fucking little thing. God knows what the fuck is happening at this point in time. They're stacking green blocks low, which... Two-tick win. This does not help the catastrophe I fucking went through. So much buying in here. This block is extending. Now the range is, I guess, going to extend low. Fuck, who knows? It's mostly buying up here, though. This is just...
Yeah, it's a tough one.
Even though we went up on a lot of selling, that's the thing. Oh, it's about to be news, huh?
Yeah, good call.
2 6. Was intense. How much of a puke is there below this? I guess nothing. They literally are just tapping on that liquidity and will not go through it. Picked up a short, though. Down 2,200. Stock market is selling at a high percent.
Right into that reclaim there. Yeah, this is like the range from hell.
There was a lot of buying in there, but it wasn't nowhere in comparison to what we just experienced with this selling. To be going up this much on selling is just...
Yeah, it's bizarre. That's for sure. I could potentially see a long continuation because they V flushed the bottom of the range. We know that when they V flush one side, they oftentimes like to V flush the other side, but that does not necessarily guarantee long, especially with how goofy the order flow is right now.
Yeah. I don't know, man. That was a lot of selling. And the buying that came in here was not like that great.
Yeah, it's really just that one 500 lot buyer.
Well, on the heat map of the stocks,
Ugh.
I mean, you're just coming out on selling continuously. This doesn't just to me is just this is a point where like it's going to roll.
Yeah, they did just V flush the top of the range, so it could
30% too, 30% selling. Sells on top of sells. So I want the entire fucking index because like maybe there's something.
yeah, maybe there's a sector that's cooking right now.
That's a, yeah.
We do have some very minor news in 30 seconds.
What is it?
Economic optimism.
Just let's go up on selling. This is just fucking not making any motherfucking sense to me. For like this entire since the open, this many legs with no retracements.
Yeah, I feel like there might be a new market regime because the last 2 days have been very funky in that regard. We also have vehicle sales in 5 minutes.
It feels like it wants to go up like that. You can feel it. It's just the way that order flow is just feels long biased.
Yeah.
The way it's just creeping on the DOM. Like those offers just will not populate. This doesn't make fucking sense. This doesn't make any motherfucking sense. I mean, it has gone up on threes in a lot of sections, but it's like there's also just sections of high selling, no high buying at all.
Could be a change in character here. They are starting to eat away at these thick blue zones.
Could be just a bullshit pullback.
Yeah. They just got absorbed. Ugh, that sucks. I had a 950 long, but I got filled for slippage for only one tick.
We're getting buying above where it was prior. Even though we have all these big ass pockets of selling.
Got an 825 long, took it off 1025. Needed that.
Now it's baked in a long signal. Now it's put in a long signal after it's been going up. Oh my god. The fact that it just started rolling up on selling just like thoroughly confused the fucking shit out of me.
Yeah, that was a confusing bit of price action there.
Well, she's definitely pulling back this shit, which makes sense because that's what it does. How much more does it have? Fuck me. I'm down 6,200. Again! The last 3 fucking sessions down a fuckload. Every motherfucking 3 days in a fucking row. Three days in a row. Watch it dump now. Watch the motherfucker just dump in after I've exited. Because I couldn't take the pain anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, what the fuck? I just like infuriating. Like whatever I got going on psychologically is the turning points for today. I don't. Oh, you gotta be fucking shitting me. Now we're gonna fucking dump? Now we're gonna fucking dump. I mean, it's a long signal. If I get, say, man, this is like, this is the first time it's starting to actually make any fucking sense. All the open interest is full. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Slip right to tens. Right to tens.
It was pretty bearish what it just did right there.
Slip right to 10 and then slam right back down. These motherfucking ranges, they drift. You try to get range advantage or mid range, and then you get in and the fucking range changes. So I guess we're gonna go down on fucking buying now. This is fucking retarded. Absolute backwards. I really didn't want to play all day fucking recovery. Fucking bullshit. We're gonna go down on fucking buying? We're gonna go down on fucking buying. Dude, I'm so fucking pissed. Now I'm down 9,200. Fucking can't even get a motherfucking tick. Just every goddamn fucking thing I'm fucking touching the wrong way. Oh, I'm fucking pissed. We're gonna go up on selling, down on buying. It's like I'm trying to play the range, but then the range comes out by the time I...
So much selling down here.
Yeah, it was probably gonna go up the fucking tens again. Watch. Who fucking knows? I have no fucking clue what the fuck is going on. It went up on selling and now it's going down on fucking buying. They better wipe out the open. Yeah, look at it going back up. Who knows? These green blocks are stacking low. They're low 7/8s. Told you. Yeah, go back to tens.
Had a 475 long on micros, took it off at 950.
Why'd you go long there?
Because that big 500 lot seller came in around fours and he got squeezed instantly. I noticed a lot of the reversals today happen when either if we're making a new high, a huge buyer will come in and he'll get squeezed, or if we're making a new low, a big seller will come in and they'll get squeezed. And it's 180 degrees opposite of what I usually do, because I'm looking for support on those big buyers or sellers. But yesterday, what I noticed was I was getting murdered trying to use those as support, because in this environment, this sloppy bullshit, trappy range V flush fucking environment, that's usually an indication of a reversal when a big buyer or a big seller comes in. But it has to be the opposite direction. If we just put in a huge down move and a massive seller comes in at the very bottom, he's going to get squeezed. It's a pretty high likelihood. The problem is the risks to reward and the win rate is a lot different than my scalping. So they're kind of holds, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I'm on the backside of those trades, so yeah, I get it.
Yeah, I don't want to trade those on full size, at least not yet. So
Look at this motherfucking V flush.
Yeah, dude, that was a motherfucker. It also, I'm not sure how much this played into it, but there was an opening range between 601 and 606, and that V flush to the bottom side perfectly pivoted off the midpoint of that range. So like a prior value area setup almost.
Jesus fucking Christ. Unfucking believable.
I posted a screenshot in the chat.
Well, I get that, but that's when you saw those sellers get squeezed.
Yeah, there's a huge seller at about, I could tell you the exact price. I think he was at 350, 354. He's gone now. He's since been flat, but I bet you I could find the exact moment where he came in. Yeah, it was at 4 even, and it was, I think, a 200 and a 400 or a 40. So a total of 350 offer. And then he wasn't in the money for more than fucking 3 seconds, and then it started squeezing against him.
This fucking V flush is retarded. This is the most retarded fucking V flush I've ever seen. Oh my god, it's just like I can get, like, it's just like fucking no, everything I touch just turns into fucking garbage instantly. Like, how am I nailing the turning points on the wrong fucking side? Don't fucking get it. This is going up on like nothing. The delta, the cumulative delta has nothing on
Yeah.
this fucking move. Oh, how much, what this is really gonna do here. Oh, I guess everybody's recouping their fucking gaps. I don't know if this is necessarily just a trend. The way it's just been snaking its way up and shit. I could end up just expanding into a very tall range. There's just so much motherfucking selling that it initially went up on. All neutral here. It's been mostly open interest sellers the
Yeah.
entire time.
Yeah, mostly. They're trapped now too. There's a bunch at 13. Big buyer. He could get squeezed. They absorbed a lot of them. It was a 327 lot bid that just came in at 13 even. All right, man. Well, it's 10